Hello, welcome to another video. This time it's something a bit unusual, but it's a wall down again. This is a wall down tapping machine. Um, so as the label says here, type 1MT sensitive tapping machine, wall down, capacity 2BA 3/16 in soft metal, made in Australia. I picked this up about 4 or 5 years ago. When I picked it up, it was in pretty bad condition. The previous owner locked the mechanism in here, so you can use it as a drill press instead of a tapping machine. So it just have only one function, just work as a drill press. So I picked it up. I just pulled it apart and then unlock the mechanism to work as it should be, and now it's working as a tapping machine the normal way it should work. In a minute I will take this cover off and I'll show you the cone pulley mechanism that's in there. There's nothing electronic or anything. The motor only got like one-way rotation, but the tapping action, the clockwise and anti-clockwise change of directions achieved by this mechanism in here, a cone pulley mechanism in here. I will take the cover off and I'll show you that in a minute. It got a quite tiny chuck, a Jacob chuck in there, but I can't see the number because there's some damage on here, so I can't exactly see the number of the chuck. It got a sliding table that slides up and down, like so. So it goes up and down like that, and then on the table you got a little lever. You can just lift up the tool rest, the tool rest up and down. So and then there's a little chuck key that goes in there. The motor, it's a 0.5 HP half horse motor. The only thing with this machine is it doesn't have a switch, so when you plug it in, it works. If when you want to stop it, you have to unplug it. So it says wall down here. Sorry, it says type 1MT here, and then it says wall down on this side. Pretty unusual looking machine. Something that you don't see every day. So I'm gonna take the cover off and then I'll show you the inside. Okay, I got the cover off. So as you can see here, there is a rubber cone pulleys, like a bevel gear here, and then there's two cones up and down. So when the motor's running, it just spins this the rubber pinion, and when you move the cone pulley up or down, depending on which cone it touches, it just change the direction of the chuck. So when you put load on the thing, on the chuck, or you're on your workpiece, it spins clockwise and then tap the thread into the workpiece. As soon as you release the load with this lever, it starts going anti-clockwise and then come out of the workpiece. So I'm gonna plug it in and then I'll show you how that works. Alright, so I plugged it in now, so it's working. Now it's going anti-clockwise. I put a little piece of tape there so you can see the direction of rotation when I operate the lever. So now just imagine that you got your workpiece on here, clamped on, and then I'm gonna put some pressure on the workpiece, and see, it starts spinning the other way now. So now it's tapping into the workpiece. So I'm gonna release the pressure now, and then it goes backwards. So the clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So that's how it works. And then the pulley mechanism here, as you can see, See, when you touch that cone at the bottom, it goes clockwise, release, and then touching the top cone there, and then going anti-clockwise. So it's pretty smart idea, pretty simple. No electronics or anything, just a simple motor, and then a pinion and a cone pulley. Pretty simple, and then you can get different speeds on that as well. See, the motor pulley have 3 speeds, and the top you got 3 speeds as well. So if you change that, then you get different speeds of the chuck. So that's how that works. It's pretty simple but genius. Okay, so that's about the WALDOWN tapping machine. That's it.